happy Saturday. I just want to come in and show you guys my outfit of the day. I'm on the background, got some clothes back there, but I am wearing this green and white top that I got from Forever 21, I think. Then I have on these distressed jeans from Fashion Nova and my Tory Burch sandals. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys my little outfits of the day. Baby and I are about to go to the movies, so yes, so cute. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I just wanted to pop in here. Yeah, baby and I are about to head out for our little date night, Saturday date nights as usual. We are about to go to the movies. We're going to the what's the name of the movie, babe? Studio Movie Grill. So where you can eat and watch the movie. We like that. Plus they have the recliner seats, so we love the recliner seats. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. We're about to have our little date night, go to the movies, not doing anything major today. We're so happy we have a 3-day weekend. We're off on Monday for Memorial Day. What are y'all doing for Memorial Day? We'll probably put some meat on the grill. We were gonna go to the lake, but we're not gonna do that anymore. So yeah, we're gonna put some meat on the grill and just chill out, relax, since we don't have work. Yeah, so what are you guys doing? I will use probably tomorrow to film some content as well. I do have one video filmed, but I'm going to film some content. That's one thing that I want to do while I have this time off. So yeah. But yeah, we're about to just take some pictures really quick. Before we leave out, our movie starts at 7, so we'll probably be leaving out of here in probably the next 30-40 minutes. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to pop in and say happy Saturday, and I will talk to you guys. My battery on my, oh yeah, I need to charge my battery. It's about to die. So yeah, I'll pop in with you guys probably from my phone, either when we get back or when we get to the actual movies. Bye. All right, so we made it to Studio Movie Grill. We're gonna see A Quiet Place. So yeah, I just want to pop in.
Yeah, it's all I want us to be. Oh yeah, you're the one for me. I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you wanted to. So come on, stop running. I wanna get with you.
Hey y'all, so baby and I just got back home from the movies. We went to see A Quiet Place. It was really good. I give it probably like a 7.5 or 8 out of 10. We went to Studio Movie Grill to see that. I'm filming on my phone because my camera battery is charging, so I just gonna use my phone for now. But yeah, I hope you guys had a great Saturday. We did. We're gonna just relax the rest of the night, and see what baby's probably gonna put some meat on the grill tomorrow, and I will probably make some sides. I mean, not tomorrow, but Monday, and I'll make a couple sides to go with that. So yeah, just wanted to pop in on y'all. So we just got back I'm seeing A Quiet Place, and it was good. It was actually like a lot of people in there because I think the movie came out yesterday. Babe, Quiet Place came out yesterday. Babe, A Quiet Place came out yesterday. The movie, it came out yesterday. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So it came out yesterday. But yeah, y'all, I just want to pop in. I'm about to get comfortable, take this makeup off, and just relax for the rest of the night. I probably finished watching this movie I was watching. I was watching this crazy movie on Amazon Prime called Housekeep House Cleaner Housekeeper. It was really crazy. So yeah, I will be back tomorrow. I'm so glad we have 2 more days off work. I really needed this 3-day weekend. Like, it was needed. All right, y'all. I will be back. Bye. Hey, y'all. Happy Sunday. I know this vlog should have been up, but I just wanted to pop in because I actually need to close out this vlog because this is from last week and this week. So I just wanted to pop in and close out the vlog. It's been a very, very unproductive week. I did film a video for you guys in here, so I'm happy about that. You guys will get that. I am back to filming my regular content outside of vlogs. So yes, I'm actually in my beauty room now, but I moved my makeup vanity a different way. So I think I'm gonna have to put something on this wall behind me, just because I may film like my chit chat get ready with me's and things like that here in this space. I don't know if I'm gonna film it in this space. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get something on this wall though. So yes, I wanted to pop in on you guys. Hope you guys have had a great weekend. We really had a chill weekend. We didn't do too much. We went and got groceries, things like that, you know, the normal stuff that you would do on the weekends. So yeah, we thought it was gonna rain. We actually had something planned, but the forecast kept saying that it was gonna rain, so we ended up we didn't want to take any chances with what we were gonna do. What we were gonna do, it would have been outside activity, and I would have been mad if it rained. So yes, we ended up just chilling in the house. We did a little date night in the house. I cooked some wings and stuff. Babe made us some drinks. We watched, what was the movie we watched? Escape Room, I think. Yeah, so we watched that and it was pretty cool. So today we just watched, the Hawks just finished playing. I'm so happy that the Hawks won. So yes, I'm hoping my team makes it all the way. So yeah, we watched that. I'm about to start cooking dinner. I'm making some salmon, asparagus, and some rice is what I'm making for dinner. And I also made some cupcakes. I'm just making, I don't know, lately I've been in the mood to like bake. So I have been baking quite a lot, as you guys have seen. If you follow me on social media, I post like when I'm baking stuff on there. So yeah, but I'm just over here. Like I said, I rearranged this particular area, which this is, like I said, the part of my beauty room that I have like my beauty, like in front of me is my desk. So I'm gonna do like a tour of the whole room once I actually finish moving some stuff around and getting things how I want them. You guys will be able to see everything. But I like how I have my desk, and I'm really thinking, should I get me another desk to put in here? Because I have space to put another desk, but just for like, you know, put my laptop and like, you know, other stuff that I'm doing. We actually have a desk that's built in when I work from home. It's built in over by the dining room, so I use that desk a lot of times to film, not film, but like when I work from home. But yeah, guys, I'm rambling at this point. Like I said, I just wanted to pop in. I'm going to show you guys the cupcakes. It's time for me to take them out the oven. So I'll be back and probably show you guys what I cook for dinner and everything. So I hope you guys are having a happy Saturday. I'm sorry, happy Sunday. And I will be back later. Bye. All right, y'all. So these are the cupcakes. I just took them out of the oven. They came out so good. For some reason, I just wanted some cupcakes. And these are silicone, which I love. These are silicone cupcake liners or muffin liners, and they actually came in this pan, so I thought that was really good instead of having a bottle. So I don't really like the paper ones because they stick. With these, they don't stick. Like, your cupcake literally will come right off. So I'm gonna leave them in here though. I'm gonna let them cool, and then I will let you guys see them once I have put the icing on it. Like I said, I just took them out the oven, so they're still hot. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my cupcakes. And then let them cool. Alright, y'all, so I have ice in the cupcakes. I just piped it out. I need a piping bag. I just used a Ziploc bag. But whatevs. They still came out cute. And let me show y'all the salmon bowl. Here is the salmon bowl. So good. Hey y'all, happy Monday. I actually just got off work. On my way home. I actually about to go in the store. I had to stop at the store. But I just wanted to come in and say happy Monday. I actually need to end this vlog. So yeah, that's really why I'm on here. But yeah, I hope you guys hair in my mouth. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Like I said yesterday, I have a video coming this week that is not a vlog. I know you guys are probably happy about that. Oh, I look so dusty today. Anyways, but yeah, I have a video coming this week that is not a vlog, so you guys stay tuned for that. Yes, I know this vlog was very uneventful because, like I said, we really didn't have a lot going on. And during the week, typically, I don't have anything going on besides work. So I know that will get boring. That will be boring content to see over and over again, me just at work. But anyways, like I said, I want to come in, close this vlog out. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you're new here, welcome or welcome back. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment before you leave. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.